Okay, we're looking for fireflies. Where's she going?
Yeah, I'll get the bathroom.
Okay. Just videoing. So you guys would want to see it in Georgia. Another eye. The view is so great. Catching fireflies. See if I can show you one. There's two right there. I don't know if you can see it. Did they go away? I think you saw one maybe. Look, there's a face on that tree. See if I can zoom in a little with my stick. Boom. Face. You can see with my goofy glasses on. Having fun. Sorry I haven't been making videos. I'm going to try to post some tonight. But yeah. Been busy. I don't get home until a couple days, so. Gotta put my glasses back on. Fire pit. Stick pit. You know what? I'm just going to leave them there because I can't see them. The bug already got the house. Great view. Looking around. Flowers. Trying to make this long. Good. See if you can see any fireflies. We'll probably catch a couple around here. It's not like Louisiana, you guys know. My voice has changed a little. Is there a firefly around here? I saw one. I don't know if you saw it. Oh, I think you did. So I thought I would just make a little video showing you guys around. She's the playground. And the trampoline way over there. I can't see it, so I'm going to tilt this real quick. Fix the camera up. I love my selfie stick. This will help me get better views of everything for you guys. And closer up lookups because it is as far away as it is. You get a closer look up. If it'll keep up, that's what I want. It's kind of getting loose. There we go. Sorry about that. Technique. They'll be out in a little bit, and I'll be videoing more with my cousin. Wearing my goofy glasses. I'm just showing you guys scenery right now. Beautiful scenery. Yeah. And I've been talking to Nick more, so we might be doing a video. I'm not 100% sure on that. Because I've had a couple people asking about that. Ah! The one right there. Did I get it? I think I got it going around. There it is. Ah! Great. Let's see if you can see the back of that. There was some back there flashing. Cool. Wow! It's much easier for me so I can see this camera, see what I'm recording. Trying to tilt it back so it's a little better for me to control and you guys see. Here they come. I haven't caught any, Lily. I've been waiting for you. I haven't caught any. I've been waiting for you. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm recording.
Can you help me find fireflies now?
Yes. Let's go.
But you have to put that thingy down.
No, I don't. I can catch them with it. Watch. I'll show you.
Alright.
You go walk
There's
ahead.
one.
Catch it.
No.
Here, let's walk down this way and look. Let's shorten this down a little bit. A little long. Oh, she got one. Oh. Oh, you can't smack at it. You gotta cuff your hands. There's one right here, I think.
Get it. Get it.
Right there. Oh, can't reach it. Look, here. You have it. All right, go show your mom.
Mom.
Yeah, babe.
We caught another one.
Yeah? Where's the star? Here it is.
I thought one just landed on my camera. Guys like my Star Wars shirt?
Sit back here again with the jar. Is that better?
Yeah.
All right.
Lily, come this way. She's walking. Did you hear what she said?
Do you have one?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Here she goes.
You got it.
There's one right there. Oh, I think I just saw one. Look, I caught one. Here.
I already got one.
You go in?
Oh, no, he went out.
Oh man, it's close. Let me in my shoe. Bother me. Ah! There's one right here, right up in my face.
I think that's probably the one that got.
Oh. Green. There it goes.
Oop, I just saw some over here. Like right here.
Ow.
Look, there's two on the path right in front of you.
I got one.
There's one right here. It's a big sucker. Come here. Ah. Got away.